Okay guys, so here's the German spec out of paint. The car looks good. There's a few imperfections. I'm going to take you through it now. Let me just give you a walk around the car quickly. You can never ever see paint properly on a video, so I'm just going to show you as much as I can. I'm also going to take you through the imperfections. We were supposed to pick vehicle up today, but we're not actually going to pick it up. Don't worry about all these bolts and nuts, they're all going to change. Just going to peep here by the undercarriage quickly. So we went right through the undercarriage. So we've got a rubberizing coat underneath the paint. I'm hoping the paint is going to last and stick. But we've got a small surprise for you guys later with regards to how we're going to build the suspension. Hence us going with the same color or color coding the undercarriage as well. So anyway, quickly, there's a few imperfections that we picking up. So I don't know if you're going to see this in the light here. It's things like this here. There's a couple of orange peel issues that we're having. There's some dust spot issues, but it's all good. Whatever we've picked up can be repaired, can be sorted out. So we're going to go through that. I'll give you another update next week, and we should start with assembly soon. Okay, the next shot I'm going to take you through to the silver car that's being prepped now and ready for paint, and then I'll just give you a quick squiz at number 6 333 as well. Okay, so back here to the booth, we've got TK's photo. This is the car with the kit, that the MTech 2 kit that we're going to put on, and the sunroof vehicle, and etc etc. So anyway, guys, basically prepped up, almost prepped up and ready for a blowover. Basically we're not pulling motor or anything out here. We're going to go around the engine. You can see everything is masked up, and we're just trying to get it as clean as possible, right? But obviously we're not going through the extensive work that we're doing on the 333s and the other ISs and stuff like that. So the car's masked up, prepped and ready for paint. This is, I don't know if you remember the sunroof, how it looked before. The guy's done a good job by trying to prep it up as far as possible. They are going to clear out some of the sections here still, I think. Yeah, just looking good. Just looking good. I'd like to say I think we're going to give it another week in the booth. Again, the color on this car is going to be Polaris silver. The kit, they're going to spray the kit on separately. So yeah. Okay, so then just walking here to number 6 again. The last time I showed you this car, it was still full metal, so we've just given a coat of primer. We got the wheels back on, we got the suspension back on now. We want to drop the vehicle, make sure the vehicle is totally square. Then they're going to weld the front up. The front needs a lot of welding up on the front because we've changed the front section of the car due to rust. We've still got to tidy that up quite a bit. The battery tray is still got to get done. This is going to take another few days, I think about 3 or 4 days, just on the battery tray itself. So our goal on this vehicle is to get it into paint or into the booth, hopefully by end of next week. But next week is a short week, so let's see how it goes. She's coming out good. Lines are straight, the body is straight. She's been pinned and filed properly. Again, all this is going to get cleaned up, yeah. So there's a lot of work that's still got to be done on the front of the car. The back of the car is quite sorted. Just going to show you quickly on the back side of things. You can see that we've still got just a little bit of filler. This is just to clear up a little bit of the gaps. The bonnet, the bootlet pops up properly. So we've actually started paint stripping on the inside, yeah, all the way through, even to the back end plate. So we want to paint strip it more and actually get this here cleaned out properly. We're going to get new matting in here. That's the undersheets. So this car should look super fresh as possible. Here's the rain trays. So we're still going to clean out that. We've had to replace quite a lot of panels on this car. Quite a lot of panels. And like I said, this car was ready from another panel beater saying that a job well done. But clearly not. So yeah guys, we're almost done with number 6. I'm hoping to get this guy into paint in the next 2 weeks or so. And yeah, I'm gonna start. Oh yeah, one more thing quickly. One more thing. Look at the sunroof. So this is what actually took a lot of time here. Is that we started clearing out here, and then we found almost 9 centimeters of body filler in the sunroof. Don't ask me how people got that in there, but that's the crap that we're finding in this car. Again, I'll just take you through to the inside of the car. You'll see there's a lot of work. So the floors are done, the side sills are done properly. We've got a little bit of work to do here. We've still got a little bit of cleaning up to do there on the welding there, on that side there as well. But I'm taking you through this process here so you can see exactly what goes into a build, and why when a person does ask for an amount when the cars are done, they're not asking for anything. We've paint stripped all the way down here, so don't look at this here. This is just filler powder here. This is metal under here. It's pure metal. It's all paint stripped out. So let's see, guys. I'm gonna update you guys shortly again afterwards. We're gonna be doing the suspension run on the car. We've got number 6 suspension out. We've got number 27 suspension out. We've also got the E36 M3 replica, identical replica suspension that we're busy with, as well as the Escorts. And then I'm still gonna run you through that Diamond Black 325i 4-door with the sunroof. We'll do that tomorrow. And yeah,